He knew the world would not be the same.
There's a thing that can change the world. In cubing, it's people who set world records. But there are inventions that break those records. Today, we are gonna talk about them. .654 is the world record for average time, which was set by Fuchs Index in 2013, last time on a cube from Moe company. .645, the first world record, which he set on the first Gans puzzle, 357. Since then, almost all speedcubers in the world began to solve on this cube. GAN became such a successful company that it was considered a benchmark of quality. And when it announced the new 4x4, everyone immediately wanted to buy it. But the cube failed. None of the top speedcubers didn't solve on it and stayed on the old models. Since then, the company stopped surprising people with something new besides 3x3. Timon Kolsinski sets the European record for average time using the new GAN Faba 5 prototype. A month later, he breaks his own record using the same cube. Sekyok Nam does 31.73 seconds on this cube at home. And makes the world's second best single. All the top speedcubers say it's the best Faba 5 they are ever done. The cube isn't available for sale, but everyone wants it so badly. It's reminiscent of the time I mentioned earlier. Maybe they are already here. Let me know what do you think of this cube in the comments.